Today we will be discussing some of the recent news surrounding NIO stock. Make sure to give us a like, and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also, Webull is giving 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description, to get your 2 free stocks, and now let's begin with our video. NIO, Li Auto, and SPANG are up over 100% since October. Recently, all of them have released their third quarter financial reports, and their performance is also bright. According to the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers, China sold 160,000 new energy vehicles in October, an increase of 104% year-on-year. Among them, the sales of new energy passenger cars reached 148,000 units, with a year-on-year growth rate of 113%. Among them, the growth rate of pure electric vehicles was even faster, with a year-on-year growth rate of 128%, and sales reached 122,000 units. In its latest report, Founder Securities compares the development of NIO, Li Auto, SPANG in terms of revenue, product positioning, production capacity, and smart driving technology in the third quarter, and believes that their dawn has come. SPANG's gross profit margin of 4.6% turned positive for the first time. Li Auto's gross profit margin of 19.8% improved for the third consecutive quarter, and NIO gross profit margin of 12.9% improved by 4.5 percentage points from the previous quarter. NIO achieved a total revenue of $1.4 billion from quarter 1 to quarter 3, with $690 million revenue in quarter 3, an increase of 146% year-over-year, and a 21% increase from the previous quarter that came from its increase in deliveries. NIO's 4th and 5th car models will be mid to high-end sedans, with the 4th model to be released soon with NP2, and further enhanced intelligent driving features. NIO's capital expenditure in the first half of this year reached $86 million, up 16% year-on-year, mainly for the construction of charging and battery swap facilities, and they continue to invest in offline experience stores. This has created a culture for NIO in China where NIO owners have a place to hang out, and they are considered a cool brand. Demand for new energy vehicles was strong, and deliveries continued to increase at a high rate. NIO October deliveries were up 7% to 5,055 vehicles, and from January to October they delivered around 31,000 vehicles. SPANG delivered 3,040 vehicles in October, up 229% year-on-year, and around 17,000 vehicles from January to October. Li Auto delivered 3,692 vehicles in October and around 21,000 vehicles from January to October. The products of these new car makers are more competitive than those of traditional car makers, and are expected to account for more than 10% of total new energy vehicle sales for the year. NIO is produced in the plant it built in cooperation with government-owned JAC, and is currently planning a second plant in Shanghai, with a production capacity of 250,000 units by 2022. SPANG's own plant has an annual production capacity of 100,000 vehicles, and its OEM plant has an annual production capacity of 150,000 vehicles. SPANG's self-built plant is already under construction and is expected to be completed in 2022. Li Auto's self-built plant is expected to expand production to 200,000 units by 2022. The new car maker's sales area coverage is mainly concentrated in mega and large cities. Their smart driving technology path has changed from relying on suppliers to independent R&D. NIO and SPANG have been developing their own smart driving technologies. At present, NIO and SPANG develop their own application layer software, while suppliers provide controllers, underlying software and core chips. In the next 3 years, the new car makers will gradually increase their own R&D efforts, and establish full-stack software development capability. It is expected that in the future that from software to production it will be done in-house. NIO's JAC plant will produce approximately 5,000 units per month, and the 4th model of the NIO brand will be put into production in the JAC plant, with deliveries expected to reach 10,000 units in the 4th quarter. Make sure to give us a like, and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also, Webull is giving 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description, to get your 2 free stocks, and we will see you in the next video.